want you to be my little lover. I want you to be my power glide. Oh, 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 little girl, don't misunderstand me, 'cause there's a rumor going round, somebody gonna let me down, and I don't know what it's all about, or if it's true. I'm counting on you. I want you to drive my Dorado. I want you to fly my aeroplane. Little girl, don't misunderstand me, 'cause there's a rumor going round, somebody gonna let me down, and I don't know what it's all about, or if it's true. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Well, I saw your reflection in the river, and I swear I heard you in the wind. Little girl, don't misunderstand me, 'cause there's a rumor going round, somebody gonna let me down, and I don't know what it's all about, or if it's true. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Hey folks, going to be a guitar lesson for Counting on You, written by Tom Petty, of course, off the Echo album. Let's get right into this lesson. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. Again, the chords are pretty straightforward. We're going to start with a nice A minor. I will say this song reminds me just a little tinge of John Lennon's I'm Losing You. I'm counting on you, I'm losing you, both I think in A minor. But anyway, I just kind of, as I'm playing it, I'm thinking of I'm losing you a little bit. So let's start this with an A minor introduction, just kind of A minor strum. I want you to be my little lover. Go an F. I'm going to play a barred on the first fret, an F. You can play it open, an F to a G. That I'm going to play open. I'm going to play a 4-finger G. Back to A minor. To be my power glide, F. Back to G. Oh, A minor. Little girl, E minor. Don't D. Misunderstand me, 'cause there's an A minor going E minor. A minor, somebody gonna let me down, F. And I, A minor, don't know what it's all E minor about, or if it's true, D. I'm counting on you. And we're back to the A minor. That's all the verse. I'll do it one more time, and that's it. It's just repetitive. There's no other part to the song, so let's go through it one more time. Just A minor. I want you to be my little F to G. I want A minor, be my power glide, F to G. Ho, A minor, little E minor, don't D. Misunderstand me, 'cause there's an A minor going E minor. Some A minor gonna let me F, and I A minor, what it's all E minor, or if it's D. And I just open up the high E string with that, I guess a D sus2, but optional. I'm counting on A minor. And that is it, folks. I think that's all you need to know. He does I'm Counting on You, the A minor. Then he goes back to the F, G, the F, G. I'm counting on you. I think there are a couple of parts in the song, the fade out, that it does that, but just A minor, F, G. So that's it, folks. That is Counting on You by Tom Petty from the Echo album. Thanks, folks, so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in another Tom Petty lesson. Take care.